Question 16 and the final question of this paper 2019 of the additional maths. Let's have a look at it. Okay, we've got a curve which is sketched and it gives us the region bounded by 2 and 6, and we need to work out the area. Whenever you need to work out area, we should be thinking integration. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is integrate this lovely part at the top. Let's get that done. So we got minus, and then x cubed, because the power goes up, and we divide by the power. That's 8x squared, and divide by the power, minus 12x, and divided by 1, we don't need to do that. Let's tidy that up. 4x squared minus 12x. And again, we don't need to do the bounds, well, sorry, we don't need to do the, oh, I've forgotten the word now, constant, because we're technically going to cancel that out anyway. So now we're going to put in our value. So the first value we're going to put in is 6. So I'm just drawing my square brackets just so I'm covering that whole area. So I've got minus, and then we're doing 6 cubed all over 3 plus 8, 6 squared. Nope, because we simplified that, didn't we? Using my second answer there. Again, 4 squared, that's it, minus 12 with a 6 in. That's my first bit done. And that's going to be minus by my second part. So again, remembering you've got the minus on the outside, 2 cubed, all over 3. That's 4, 2 squared, minus 12. That's a really weird 2, so we're going to rub that out and try again. There we go. And it's going off my board. There we go. Once you got to this stage, input this into your calculator. I've already done that. Now, this was slightly weird, but remembering you got the minus at the front, your answer actually becomes 0 on this one. Now, that's not the case all the time. It's just because with these cancel out for each other quite nicely, and that's the reason why that's happened. So that gave me 0, and then when minusing, when I typed the second half into the calculator, I had minus 32 over 3. Minus and the minus, again, GCSE prep, we should know this, it gives you a plus. So our final answer is 32 over 3. Now, it doesn't state that we need to give it as as a decimal or anything like that if you want to, but it is going to be recurring because that 3 is going to give us that constant number. So let's try that again. Yeah, so we get 10.6 recurring, or you could say 10.7 to 1 dp. But again, I'm not first, leave it as your fraction, do whatever you feel best with. Last question, let's see where the marks come from then. I want my trusty pen. Which colour am I going to? Blue. Right, intention to integrate. So my intention to integrate happened by here. So I got M1 for intention to it, and there we go. A1 if one term correct, A2 if 2. Yep, so I got A2 for that part as well. Sorry, my thing's gone. Use of limitations, limits 6 and 2, which we've shown the examiner, so we get M1 for that. And then our final answer, we got A1. And that is how you do that question. So again, recap through the videos of 1 to 16, but this paper is now completed. So once you've had a go at yourself, or you might just want some revision, just look back through these videos and hopefully it'll just spring to mind of what you need to do in these scenarios. There you go. Bye.